Niagara Falls, Canada's Wonderland, Cup and Saucer, Manitoulin Island, Rotary Trail Park, Toronto Zoo, Task Tulip Festival, CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium, Toronto Subway, and many more. Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with Lucille's Hive.
Again, that was a long time ago. I don't know if it's still there. Apparently that's a new feature.
Oh.
Where the boats are?
Yeah. You want to try one day?
Sure. The question is, can you do it?
I can. Para na rin tayo nakagala sa buong Toronto.
Fortunately, no one's going out and doing that walk right now.
Yeah, because it's closed at 5.
Yeah, you're gonna just be right here when you check in.
Okay.
So you'll do section 1, okay? Section 1. Oh god, I don't like the subtle move. I think that's worse. The subtle move is worse.
Nice.
I know, but still, but now that you said it, makes me forget.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving now. Nay na gumagalaw na makita nyo. We're moving.
Look at the wall.
We're moving. Look at the wall. We're moving.
Can me and Mom be on the end? Yeah, sure.
We're moving.
You've just been complaining. You didn't want to. Now with the guy now taking the car home, I don't think he's going to give us the ride. Alright, I think we got to kind of figure it out. So this is what we're going to try. Okay. You'll have the 2 course. You want the flat iron and the rib.
360, the restaurant at the CN Tower, is where flavors from across Canada come together in a setting truly like no other. Celebrate any occasion, from major milestones to just because. Moments with a feast for the senses, fresh, local, and sustainably produced food and drink complemented by an ever-changing panoramic view. All in the heart of downtown Toronto. Pay attention to this pillar.
Too, but then it takes the finish.
Okay, so we'll start off with a 3-tier for everybody.
Yeah.
I will have, I don't know which one you recommend. Steak?
Steak? Okay, do you like a lean steak?
Yeah, I like it more
lean.
rare.
So the lean has no fat, right?
Yeah, tenderloin.
Yeah, tenderloin is the leanest, but it's the smallest.
Okay, whatever steak you guys recommend, and I'll take the twice baked potato.
Okay, so that's for you.
That's for me.
All right, so go for the 10 ounce.
10 ounce
10 ounce.
potato.
Okay, how do we cook a steak?
Medium rare.
Yeah, medium rare is good.
Yeah.
And then let's start with this.
Yeah.
This is gonna take you a while to eat.
Yes.
All right. Let me put
This
that in.
360 revolving restaurant capacity for up to 400 seated guests, available for lunch and dinner, with completes a full rotation every 72 minutes to enjoy the panoramic view.
So for him, he wants the rib.
That's gonna take a while for you to eat. You got like
What you need to do is you need to put it here next to the candle. And let it
Yeah.
record. But that's at 4K, it would be impossible. At 1080, you'll be able to record it.
What was for $360 all for me. I appreciate it so much.
Okay, pose, guys. You're in the picture. Pose, Mom, you're in the picture. Good night.
Okay, so we're gonna give you a spoon for the sauces. Alright.
Oh, so it's
The white sauce, the rubber line, right in the bottom leg,
Yeah.
that's for the lobster. Okay, the vinegars for the oyster, if you like, but I do oyster only with salmon. I don't do vinegar.
Okay.
And then the that's it, right? I'm gonna bring this back in a bit. Okay.
I think I'm in heaven right now.
Okay, so this is tuna.
But I want to do it down.
Huh? No, block in the back.
Can't see. Huh? Oh, Nana is in the bathroom, eh?
Yeah, it's right there. Right here. We just went all the way around. Could you hold my apple juice into the sea for a second? Don't drop it. I think you meant this. I think you meant this one.
Where's Lola?
Oh.
Hello. Where's Lola?
There.
360, right?
We're done.
No.
On that one.
Dog.
Just don't do it. I want to get something.
Do you have money?
Yes, I do have money. I found a $50 bill on the ground. I found it.
Really?
Picked it up. When we got off of the bus, it was just right there.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding. I have it on me right now.
Grabbed it.
It was
I
literally
was
just
the
right
one-
there on the ground.
I should get all the things.
You should have like 50-50.
It's payment back for that. Like,
Did you ask the person behind you or before you? Did you ask somebody next to you that if it's belong?